So, goodbye to Leonor. This poem is a poem by Rizal dedicated to his childhood sweetheart Leonor Rivera. In the poem, Rizal express the pain of parting from Leonora as he leaves for Spain to pursue his studies. He reflects on their shared memories and the love they once shared, limiting the distance and separation between them. The poem is poignant and melancholic, conveying for Rizal feelings of longing and sorrow. The hits sorrow as bids farewell to Leonor. It reflects the personal struggles and sacrifice Rizal endured in his education and his commitment to fighting for freedom and rights of his fellow Filipino. So goodbye to Leonor is not only a farewell to a beloved but also a reflection of a broader themes of love, sacrifice, and the challenges of pursuing one's dreams amidst and constraints of colonial rule. That's all.